My favorite thing about getting ready is how it grounds you. It's a mental sanctuary that you can carve out for yourself in the physical mess of a badly lit bathroom or a five-star hotel. My favorite thing about getting ready is the process. It's almost ritualistic, a sacred space you can honor yourself. My favorite thing about getting ready is actually, it's not even that deep, and yet it is. It's my favorite thing to create a little pool of my toolkit scattered all around. And as an artist, my art doesn't need to please everyone or anyone, but just myself. My favorite thing about getting ready is how we all make it our own. No two rituals the same, and no two finished looks the same. It holds a little bit of all of us. My favorite thing about getting ready is it can be enjoyed alone, or sipped like a cocktail, shared with a friend, or be a rave in itself. My favorite thing about getting ready is in the beauty of it all, and I'm not just talking about the makeup.